Hey everyone, welcome back to the final part of our restaurant reservation system tutorial series. In this video, we're going to put everything we've built together into a console application. We'll simulate real-world interactions such as searching for available tables, making reservations, viewing those reservations, and even canceling them. By the end, you have a full working example of a restaurant reservation system using object-oriented principles and link queries. Let's dive in. First, we'll need some initial data for our system. So we'll start by creating a list of customers, locations, restaurants, and tables. I've already defined some mock data for this. For example, here we have a few customers added to our database context. Alongside them, we have a few restaurant locations in places like West Hollywood and Beverly Hills, and each restaurant has its own set of tables. We're using these classes and objects that we defined earlier in the series to populate our database with customers and restaurants. Here is the rest of the mock data for the tables. We added all the objects to the database context and showed how they represent the initial data set. This is the region that we're adding the list of restaurants. Next, let's say a customer wants to check table availability for a specific date and time. We can use the GetAvailabilities method for this. In this case, I'll check for available tables at 8 p.m. on October 6, 2024 in West Hollywood. When I run this method, it will return a list of restaurants with available tables at that time. And here's what it looks like. As you can see, we have a few available tables at different restaurants. This simulates the process of checking availability before making a reservation. Now let's make a reservation for one of these restaurants. I'll use the make reservation method to book a table at the little door for Matthew Jacobs at 8 p.m. for a party of 2. When I run this, we should get confirmation of the reservation. Here's the reservation confirmation. It shows Matthew's reservation at the little door for a party of 2 on October 6th, 2024 at 8 p.m. After making a reservation, we can also view a list of all reservations made at a particular restaurant using the Get Reservations method. Let's check all the reservations currently booked at the little door. As you can see here, here's a list of all reservations showing each customer's ID, the size of their party, and the date and time of the reservation. Here's another example of making a reservation and also getting all the reservations. Finally, let's simulate canceling a reservation. Let's say Alexandra decides to cancel her reservation. We'll use the cancel reservation method for this. Once we cancel the reservation, we can check the updated list of reservations to confirm. And there you go. Alexandra's reservation has been canceled, and the updated list reflects that. This console application demonstrates how all the object-oriented design principles and methods we've built throughout the series work together in a real-world system. If you found this tutorial series helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the previous parts if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next series.